Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Everybody, I'd like you to meet Reza, well, at least in person. He's done a few iPhone screencasts for the Locker Gnome channel on YouTube, and he's here in my home office, at least part of my home office, and he's going to be demonstrating exactly how you can do a screencast on your iPhone or your iPad. So Reza, how do we do this?
Well, Chris, today we're using a program called Display Recorder.
Now this is just for jailbroken devices?
That's correct.
Okay.
Display Recorder you can get for $5 in the Cydia App Store, and it allows you to do a native capture of your iPhone or your iPad's screen output. So what we've done is we went ahead and we did a little capture already. When you open up Display Recorder, it has a little server that you can dial into on your web browser. So you put in the URL and it brings you up here to the live view of your screen. So if I click the live view, you can see what's going on
Trying to get a good balance. Okay, but that's an iPhone template that's on the screen, so it's kind of got it smushed. Okay.
The server is using an iPhone template right now. It hasn't been updated to have the iPad template. If you watch some of our jailbreak screencasts on Locker Gnome, you'll see that it fits perfectly for the iPhone ones. But right here for the iPad, it's showing it a little squished, but that's fine because we're not going to use this particular template.
Okay, so how do we do an iPad screencast then? How'd you figure it out?
What we did is we have a button on the iPad. It's a hardware button. When you press and hold the sleep-wake button, it gives you this little option to start recording your screen's display.
Okay.
And for tonight's video, that's what we did. We manually recorded the output. So when you hit that record button, it lights up, and now it's recording everything.
So it's recording everything that you're doing.
Absolutely.
Okay. So that's what you did earlier.
Mm-hmm. What I did is I hit that button, went over to the
LockerGnome.com.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the website here that we went to and did a little demo for you. We also have LockerGnome.net, obviously, for some great questions and answers, and live at Perlo.com.
Although that doesn't seem to be working right now.
Yep, just need a little refresh, and that's up. So basically, right now...
And that is basically that. All right. Anyway, Reza, go ahead.
So as we speak, it's recording all of this activity. Everything that we've been doing since we've been demoing is being recorded. And so say we were done recording everything on the screen, we just hold the sleep-wake button again.
Now, this is all a part of the screen recording software?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Display Recorder lets you set the settings of how you'd like to activate the screen capture.
Okay, great.
And it's set for that.
So now it's captured that video, say, so you'd pull it in on your desktop.
So we're not using the built-in template, so we're going to pull it in manually. And when you put in that server URL, it brings you up to the live view homepage where you can see all of your captured screen recordings.
Okay.
So this is one that we did earlier, and all you have to do is right-click the video and download the link file as. And so you go ahead. It has this crazy long name to it, but it's an AVI file. And you can name it whatever you want.
Sure.
And save it to wherever you want on your computer. In our case, we've already saved one to the desktop.
Because it could take a while to transfer, so that's why we've kind of done one ahead of time. Okay, so go ahead and pull the one that we did earlier.
So the one that we've done on the desktop is ready to go, and the easiest way to display that is by what I like to use is a template. In this case, we have the iPad template up.
Okay. Now this template can be downloaded. This is just a graphic file. We're going to upload it to geeks.perlo.com so that people can download it.
Absolutely. You can download this template and use it in whatever orientation you like. We have it in the
landscape mode.
Landscape mode here, but you could, if you were shooting video or a capture in portrait.
And you're just using the preview app in Mac OS X right now. Okay,
absolutely.
perfect.
This is built-in PDF preview and image viewer for Mac OS. And so you load your template, and I already have the video sized.
So you're playing the video back in QuickTime. Okay, so you've got the title bar. So go ahead and go ahead and press play.
So here's the recording, and once you let it run, you can see that it
looks like it's playing on the iPad. So then you would use some other kind of screen capturing software on the Mac to be able to capture it, or Windows, assumedly, depending on whatever it was. So
Absolutely. That's how we bring it all together. Is once it's all overlaid like this, then we capture it again with another screen capturing software. In this case, for the Mac OS, I like to use ScreenFlow. It's really easy to use.
yeah, it's about the best one out there.
Easy to edit with. So there you have it. You have live native capture of your iPad right there using Display Recorder, ScreenFlow, and the built-in server with live view for display recorders.
All right, so now everybody knows how you do what you do. Now they can do what they want to do with the iPad or the iPhone. I still have not jailbroken any of my iOS devices.
Absolutely, it's a lot of fun. You know, if you just want to share some videos with your friends, show off an awesome app that you love to use, and you know, do it this way and have fun with it. So
Cool. Well, thanks, Reza, and of course you're going to be doing more screencasts in the channel.
definitely, whatever everybody would like to see, we'd love to capture it and show it for you. So we've got a lot of good jailbreak tweaks and stuff coming out that you guys can watch. And anything that you have requests, just let us know in the comments, and we'll do our best to get that for you guys.
Cool. Well, thanks, Reza.
You bet.
And what do I usually say at the end of the video?
See you later.